Hey, welcome back, gang. Helping out the McNeely family. They do a lot for animals and animal rescue family. It's great what they do, and so we're helping them out a little bit. As you can see, we got some dogs wandering around the studio. So here's the deal. We've been elbows deep in that pilot all day. Now we're switched over to the husband's truck. The great thing about this truck, it really didn't need too much. Needed some brakes and a wheel hub. Something I wanted to point out too, man, on brakes. So the brake pad doesn't look that bad just on wear. You're like, oh, that pad's not bad at all. But something we always check, and another reason we go with bproauto parts, you see this little scarring in here? Now, it could be a couple things. Could be the layering of the material in the pad, but it also could be the bedding, how he actually embedded the pad under the rotor. Sometimes braking is the most important part about brake pads. Make sure you follow whatever the recommendation is to seat the pad. Something else I wanted to point out about bproauto, most parts you're gonna find, right, they go through a little bit of testing. bproauto parts, they go through a rigorous amount of testing, unbelievable amount of testing. For example, this wheel hub, they'll do a stud push-out test. They'll do a mud intrusion test. They'll do a high impact test. You name it, they test it, so they know you're getting a part you can rely on, high quality part that you don't have to worry about replacing, a couple months down the road due to failure. So if you guys are looking for these parts, Repair Link, Next Part, your Jeep, Dodge, Ram dealership also has them, or you can just go to Amazon and get it dropped right to your front porch. Not bad at all.
All right, Willie's got the brakes wrapping up. I'm investigating a complaint about hard starting, so we charged the battery for a bit. Now I've got our Carlisle battery tester on here. I got all the parameters in. We got a bad battery over here, so we're gonna replace that. Now we've got a B Pro battery. This is a long-lasting unit, which is great. This one comes with a 24-month replacement for free, got a warranty on it, and it's a really low corrosion setup on it. Just a reminder, man, these guys have tons of replacement parts for all sorts of makes and models. Make sure to check them out while I get the old one out and the new one in.